Today we will show you how to reball BDC to gateway ZGW CPU. Let's put it on the base. Align the stencils. Just like this. It fits properly. Let's put it on the magnetic base. Thanks to the magnetism, it will fit right away. Let's start spreading the solder paste. And remove the extra. Done. Let's start heating. We need to hold down the stencils with tweezers before heating. Because of high temperature, stencils will deform on its own, so we want to hold it still. We press it firmly. Let's start heating. We start from this corner first. We heat it a bit around first, though. Now it's already at the melting point. We finished heating up. Keep holding down the stencil while it cools down, to wait for the whole CPU to cool down. Everything looks fine. Take out the stencils. With a bit of strength. All done. Size of the beads is 0.45 millimeters. Now it's ready to solder.